Okay, hi everybody. Just a real, I guess, quick review of my new cubes I've gotten since my last video. Here's a 2x2. Really easy. I have two 2x3x3s. Pretty cool. A round one. Nothing big here, just two Rubik 4x4s. Some people complain about the Rubik's 4x4, but man, this one is really nice. It moves like butter. Called a blade cube. It's okay. Okay, one recently, gear cube. Really weird. Look at that. Really nice. Finished making that one today. My bandit cube. Two by one. Not a cube, but Rubik's clock. It's a real one. These, I don't even know what these are called. 3x4 something on top. Anyway, I got a little round thing in the middle. You can turn it with your finger. Made that. Badger Minute button maker. Rubik's button. Rubik's magic. Oh, my Rubik's bear. A cheap 15 puzzle. Hungarian rings. I think that's what they're called. Some puzzle ball. Miniature backspin. Well, I'm using my bear here. Switchback. I went to the flea market today and got both of these for $1 each. Rubik's cubes, not bad. And lastly, two Rubik touch cubes. I haven't even opened that one yet. They're alright, but they get boring pretty fast. Okay, well that's it. Thanks for watching.